Ali. Yan, yan. Yan, I miss you. We're here in our school. Look. That's our friends. Lahat dito. That's Marlene, Ali, and Nicole. Princess, look. And Lovely. Say yan, hello yan.
Hello.
This is Hazel.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Ayoko.
Yan. Say hi to yan.
Nahihiya ako. Kala may
This is April.
Muchicha.
She's Chinese.
Is Marlene.
And these are our other friends. Eunice, say hi.
Say hi to yan.
She's very
Rowie,
shy.
say hi to yan.
Hi to Yan. Yan, this is my
Best friend.
Yan, JC. Classmates. This is our classmates.
Uy, ano?
Aleli.
Aleli.
This is Rochelle.
Rochelle.
Saan nga ba ito? Joanne. Eh, wag na yan.
Nicole. Yuki. Hindi mo
Pala dadaan.
sabihin mo.
Yan. We're going to our classroom now. Bye. I love you.